Hey, clients often jump to layout feedback too early during presentations. Sometimes you just want to keep the conversation at the zoning level, right? Well, now within present mode, you can toggle between regular floor plans, rounded corners, and bubble diagrams. So here is the bubble view, where every space turns into a circle with their space labels and areas. These bubbles are also proportionate to the areas of the spaces. So you'll have the larger spaces represented by larger bubbles. So it's easy to visualize programs as well. And with our latest updates, you can also move and edit these labels. And of course, you can also use the draw tools to enhance these presentations the way you want. So go ahead and try it out and let us know what you think.